Hi there. Just showing real quick how to use the extension and get the files or folder links with the AI PDF GPT. So we're here on the GPT, as you can see here, just PDF AI PDF GPT by myAIDrive.com. And then here on the side is the AI Drive. So let's do a simple one, which is there's this file here, and we're going to just, you can select the file, and then there is a link to copy here. So you can just come here to copy to ChatGPT, and should be copy files to ChatGPT. So you can just click here and then click on this link, and then it's copied to the clipboard, and then you can just put it over here and the link is there. You can ask a question like, well, what's this about? And we just see it work. And then I'll show you another way to do that with the file link and then with the folder link as well. So great, and it worked. Let's just see. Yep, document. And I'm just gonna ask you to stop because we don't need to see everything. Okay, so, and press the stop button here. Okay, great. So now the other way, if you don't want to just check here, if you only have one document, right? Because this is usually more useful. If you have two documents, you can check two, and then you come here, you copy the two links, right? So you can just do this. You can see there's two links here. This only works until I think 4 or 5 documents. Then you're up to folder search for the pro users, and I'll show that as well. The other way with single file is that you can just go here in these 3 dots, and then here you have copy to ChatGPT, and then you have the same thing. You can just click here, copy URL, and then it's done. For the folder links, and then here's a folder link, you can just come in here and click, and then there's the code icon here, copy to ChatGPT, and you click here, and then we can just paste. And I'm gonna ask a question like, search this folder for justice Sotomayor, for example, right? And some question like that, and then you just fire it off, and just wait a little bit, and then it should come back with the results of the search. This depends on how busy the OpenAI systems are at any given point in time. Sometimes it does this, it does the searching by knowledge, but actually that's not what it's supposed to do. Now it's doing the right thing, which is talking to AI PDF. So it just kind of figures it out typically, and then it will give us a summary. Yep. Several documents. I guess this justice was not there, but there's a bunch of things about this document. So, yep, that's the example how to use the links. I hope that helps. Thank you.